Well, good afternoon. We are continuing to track our winter storm, the first one of the season affecting us here in the Red River Valley, specifically in northeastern North Dakota. We've been getting pictures, and this one, look at all this snow that's in the backyard of the Walhalla Lutheran Parsonage. Minister Shalise Larson shared this photo with us. She said, God's beauty right here on the porch and on the trees, and she measured about 6 inches of snow there. And check out this photo, 2 seasons in one shot. We've got snow on the ground and those gorgeous orange fall leaves there. This is in the Grafton area, and Candy shared this photo with us as well. If you've got a picture of the snow, maybe you're measuring it, we'd love to see those. You can upload those to our VNL weather app. Just open up the app, and right at the bottom of the homepage there's a submit button, and it's just as easy as that to upload your photos. Here's a look at our road conditions now. You can see a lot of yellow on the map. That either means ice or compacted snow, and that's certainly the case in a lot of places. Here's Devil's Lake right here, back up toward Cavalier and Langdon. Some areas where we're snow covered around the Minnewacan area and back down toward Fessenden there. And then to the east in blue, wet roads or slushy roads happening here. More likely wet for those of us in the southeastern part of the viewing area because we haven't had snow yet. Now, where we have had snow, where we continue to get snow, is in Devil's Lake. You see those flakes coming down there right now. And here's a look at the latest radar again. Lots of snow stretching from northwest, that northwestern tip of Minnesota, back over toward the southwestern parts of North Dakota and beyond. And then there's a little rain on the warmer side of this. Lots of cloud cover. We are socked in the clouds here. And snow, again, coming down in Devil's Lake to Carrington. And again, I've been pointing out Grand Forks getting in on that snow now. It's falling there. So here's a look at our visibility reports. We've got areas where visibility is okay, but there's a lot of spots where visibility is down, and it's for several reasons. Snow potentially bringing down visibility. We're less than a mile in Carrington, Devil's Lake, and Grafton. So keep in mind your visibility is down in these spots thanks to the snow. But then in the south, we are down because we have some fog or a little mist out there. Fargo's at 2.5 miles, 3 in Wahpeton. Areas of some very little bit of drizzle perhaps happening in some of these places as well. And wind is picking up. Not terrible in the east, but in the north and west, we've got some gusts into the 20s, and that will only get stronger as we head into tonight and into tomorrow morning. So looking at our temperatures, big range here, 50 degrees in Alexandria and Elbow Lake, and still only 25 in Rolla. These numbers haven't really gone up at all throughout the morning hours, and will likely just stay in this range throughout the day today. So northwest, that's where we're below or near freezing. That's where we're getting the accumulation. Now, moving into tonight, here's our hour-by-hour planner. We're going to see this band of snow kind of hold steady for a while into the afternoon, but as we move into the evening hours, this starts to shift eastward. We see more moisture getting pumped into this system. Look at this rain and snow that'll be going on around 11 o'clock tonight. On the warm side, again, some good rain showers and perhaps some heavy pockets of snow falling at that point in those areas seeing snow. And notice where the rain snow line is at this point, right over Fargo-Moorhead, potentially around that time. So then we will see our chances for snow develop in places in southeastern North Dakota, parts of Lakes Country, not all of Lakes Country. We might just have all rain for places like Wadena and Park Rapids, but parts of Lakes Country seeing that snow tomorrow morning. The issue is that temperatures are going to be above freezing potentially for a while, so that could really reduce or limit the accumulations that we'll be seeing in some of these spots. Now this moves on, and by 7 a.m. tomorrow we're seeing that clearing the valley, and we'll just be dealing with this northwesterly wind for the day and much colder air for Friday. Here's a look at our additional snowfall amounts. This is on top of what we've seen. Again, much less likely to see snow in the southeast, and then other places in the northwest still looking at several inches possible with this event. And then again, tomorrow, the wind, the cold, the unpleasant weather to be outside in, but we will see the snow winding down, and the weekend just plain chilly. Temperatures teens to start and right around freezing for our highs all the way into Halloween.
Yeah, let's not forget our bone-chilling temperatures on top of this holiday weekend.
Yeah, there's that too. So if you're in one of those places like Wadena that doesn't see snow, you're still going to be impacted by this. You're still going to have the cold come your way.
Wow. All right, a lot going on. Thank you, Lisa.